What's good? What it do? What it is? What a who? It's your girl J Money. I'm back again with another freaking banger for y'all. So today, to Mother Trucking Day. Don't mind my shirt. I was drinking this concoction. It ain't bad or nothing. It's just Powerade mixed with a little bit of Sprite, so it can have that saras, But on today, you guys, we are doing something a little different. If y'all ever heard of this store, it's called Daiso. And I got a few items from there. So we're gonna, actually some of it came from KP Market, which is the Korean international market where they got everything too. So we just gonna hop straight into this video. Hey guys. Okay, so today we have hot and spicy flavor, and they called corn snacks from Daiso. We got these umami seaweed. So they called Jaga Rico. I've never had these, so we're gonna try them. I got another kind, and this is just like butter potato, because it looks like there's a potato in there. And then this one, I think it's just seaweed flavored because it's seaweed on there. So we got that. We got these little jelly candies that I've been seeing all over TikTok, where you peel the wrapper off or you can eat the wrapper. These are good. I had these before, but I had Sure Cookie. So these. We have these little Friend Bakery. It looks like there's chocolate on the top and then like a cookie at the bottom of it. Looks pretty good. So we're gonna try that also. I got this from KP Market. It says Better Warm. It got like chocolate in the middle, so never had like a cookie like that, so we're gonna try that. And then maybe my favorite part is jelly straws. I was gonna say jelly strudels. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna just take a couple out. I already got my favorites. Can y'all guess what flavor is my favorite? The flavors are grape, green apple, pineapple, strawberry. Yeah, those pretty much. Pineapple and strawberry. So yes, I think we're gonna do 2 of each color of the jelly straws. And then let's find a green apple one. So we're gonna put that back. And then of the viral candy, y'all, I need to do my hair. Look, the locks is growing like crazy, okay? It's definitely time for a retwist. I do twist my own locks, but I do wanna like go and get it done. So this one I have strawberry, I have grape, and then I have pineapple. Oh no, sorry, not grape. This is melon, or green apple. I think this is green apple. I tried the grape one already, like off camera earlier. It's actually pretty good. It's not that bad. So I'm gonna put this on the floor, and then I am going to open up these. Let's do a smell test. How about that? If I get them open, Jesus. All right, smell test. Remind you, I never tried none of these except for the jellies and the pretzel stick. Okay. Smells like corn chips. Like, I mean, they're corn chips, but they do. So this is what they look like. It tastes like, you know how you eat Chex Mix? And it's those little crackers? That's what that tastes like. Actually, these taste like, I mean, they're corn chips, obviously, but they taste like Boogles. Boogles. However you say them, but they shape like a cone. Okay. Let's try these. I'm really excited about these. I'm really excited. I haven't been to Daiso in so long. I used to go to Daiso like all the time back home. Like that was my favorite store. All right, so smell test first. Smell like seaweed. Not the ocean seaweed, but that's what it looks like. That's actually kind of good. Yeah. That's a good little snack. Let's see. And then this one is butter. This is Hokkaido. I don't know if I said that right. Hokkaido butter. They smell like that, but not really. These don't really have like a, oh, that tastes good. You just taste like that. But then, I like because I love seaweed. So, we got all the crunchy stuff out the way. Well, not really. Because I want to try this. Let's take a drink for the fam. Woo! With that water. So for y'all that don't know, I don't drink soda. I want to say I stopped the end of last year. But one time, like I want to say a couple years ago, I went like 4 or 5 years without drinking soda. And I was hella healthy. People just think because I'm big that I'm not healthy. Like my doctor was shocked that I'm not a diabetic. I don't have high blood pressure. Like, none of that. I'm healthy. He's like, you need to be skinny. No, I don't want to be skinny. It's skinny people that I know that's sicker than me. And first off, I don't even get sick that often. When I do get sick, I'm like sick. But I hardly get sick. I could go through the whole year probably getting a cold one time. And it don't even be like a real cold. It'd be like you know, because of allergies and stuff. But besides that, if I'm sick, I'm throwing up sick. Then we have the pretzel sticks. Oh, I never had the pizza kind. This is really good. This is the box look like, if you guys want to try it. That's really good. It tastes like pizza crust. It really do. Just like pizza crust. Oh, oh, oh. Fallen stick. And before you guys ask, yes, I'm always at work. Why? Because living in California, your bills gotta be paid. Or you're gonna be out on the street. But good news, guys. I got my own place. Yes. Finally, I got my own place. So excited. So, oh, that's the bottom of the cookie. So this is the bottom, the chocolate, and this is the top. They smell really good. Chocolate cream coated biscuit. Duh. Oh, good. I'm probably going to do this on my TikTok. So stay tuned. I'll do this on my TikTok because, y'all, I eat, but I really don't eat a lot of stuff. That's why I don't really do mukbangs. Because everything I order, like I try to eat for you guys, I can't finish. I take like 2 bites of everything and be full. Like right now, I low-key feel full. But we're going to save this. And we're going to put that in the bag. But these smack, so I'm going to eat on those. These are really good too. Sorry. Anybody that know, these and Pockies, bro, freaking good, okay? So, that goes in that bag. Now, let's get to the fun part. The butter one, I don't really care for that much. Ooh. Never meant to make your daughter cry. Excuse me. Okay, so here go the jelly straws. This is the green apple. So I'm just going da 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 da. Cause the juice be squirting out when I open it. That's what she said. That's good. These are addicting. These kind of like bring out the inner child in me. Why keep putting that in there? Because I'm so used to putting stuff in the trash. Let's do pineapple. The pineapple is good too. Pineapple. Pineapple, anything is always good to me. I love anything pineapple. Oh shit, it's gonna bust. Oh. I was trying to find those busting jellies. But somebody took them off. So they didn't have it. Ba-da-bow. Ba-ba-bow. If y'all not following me on my social medias, please follow me on all my social medias. They'll be down below in the description. Instagram, I need to be more active. But yes. All right. Now let's do this one. This one's really sticky. Like y'all. See the wrapper? But look. It's gone. Ain't that cool? Like, you can eat the paper if you want. This that TikTok candy that everybody kept talking about. I found this at KP Market. KP is like my favorite store. Sorry, excuse me, y'all. That was so unladylike. Do the leg here. No. Because on Jelly Belly family, guess what? Be yourself. Because you don't like being yourself. But if I'm not supposed to eat this paper, somebody please let me know down in the description because these mugs dissolve. Okay. So these taste like fruit snacks. They really do, but like big fruit snacks. This is the pineapple one. Last time I tried to take all the paper off, my fingers was so sticky. I need to get my nose done too. I'm really eating fucking paper. Ain't that weird? I'm really eating paper. But that's it so far. Not too much going on. So on that note, guys, J Money loves you. Be safe. Live prosperity. Live your life to the fullest. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't do because the sky is unlimited. The sky is the limit. And guess what? You get to the sky, go beyond that. You know? I just want you guys to be happy. Please stay safe. It is Women Independent Month. So with that being said, for all my ladies, please be safe. Please carry protection. Don't go anywhere alone unless just don't go nowhere alone. If you're going out, go with somebody and make sure somebody you trust. But then again, I don't know, because one girl, she met up with a girl that she thought was her friend that she knew, and she ended up dying because so many people, all them dudes and that girl, killed her. Ain't that crazy? You know somebody for so long, and they just like what? What? Anyway, ladies, just be safe. Fellas, be safe too, because they take men too, not just women. And yes, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, peace.